Without fear, we don't have life. I have this post from Dan Sullivan talking about how people get all crazy. And a lot of times people get crazy because they have such tremendous fear. The post here is fear is a natural part of growth. And he talks about how if fear is showing up, it means you're growing. It's easy to think fear is a warning sign, but for entrepreneurs, it often is a signal that you're stepping into something bigger. Every breakthrough starts with uncertainty. Every next level comes with a bit of discomfort. Fear isn't the enemy, staying stuck is. So next time fear shows up, don't retreat. Take it as proof that you're heading in the right direction. And I think that's something that a lot of self-employed people make the mistake of. They think, oh my God, I can't do this. I don't know what's next. That uncertainty, they're not ready to embrace that. Instead of examining the fear and learning more about what they need to do and talking things through and really getting those fears and those limitations and all of those unspoken things out of their brains and out of their mouths into the world so they can resolve them, they just retreat and they hover. And that is such an enemy of what we talk about. That's an enemy to what we're trying to build, is that you have to address your fears. You have to recognize that your fears exist, and in order to really move forward, you've got to understand what the fear is giving you as advice. You know, Adam and I create certainty. We talk about this all the time. We've spoken about it several times here, that we help you to understand and gain that certainty that you need, and really that you already have within you, that you know, but you just need some permission and some direction for it. It's there. And fear often just provokes that uncertain moment. And when we embrace fear as part of what we are going to have to go through at every phase when we become comfortable, business and life are not about being comfortable. If you're looking for your business to be comfortable, if you're looking for your every month to just be this routine that's easy and that you're constantly making money and there's no worries and there's no anxiety and there's no stress and there's no fear of it, well, then you're deluding yourself in many ways, because you have to keep going at it every single month and you have to live with that uncertainty of what's going to happen. But the way we create certainty is to help you do the things that you need to do. We help you to move forward in with the right vision so that you can make all the decisions that you need to make. And that's what it's all about, is knowing what decisions to make. But when you're self-employed and you get caught up in the fear because you don't know how to do something, uncertainty would say, fear would say, just go learn the thing. That's the wisdom of that emotion. The wisdom is to go and question and learn and take in new information so that now you can make another informed decision. And once you have that information, once you've gained and removed the uncertainty, you now can make decisions that give you the right direction to move in. And like he says at the end of the post, take this as proof that you're heading in the right direction if fear is showing up. Because if fear is there, it means you're doing something right. You have to continue to embrace that fear and understand that it's going to keep coming back to bite you in the ass a little bit, because it wants you to stay on your toes. It wants you to never stop and becoming stuck, right? If you become stuck and you become stagnant, then you're letting fear get the best of you instead of letting it advise you into what the next steps are. So go and learn the thing that you need to learn.